How to fix iPhone's signal problems. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone's signal problems or network problems. So let us begin. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply head over to your general and under general, see for iPhone's software update. Tap on software update, and if you find any software update available, make sure that you update it. Now after you do that, check if the problem is still there. If it's solved, good for you. If it's not, this is what you do. So the second step is you might want to force restart your iPhone. To do that, you'll simply need to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and long press on the side button until the Apple logo appears. When it does, you can release the side button and your iPhone will force restart. If that does not work, you can use your accessibility tool too. Just tap on it, head over to device, tap on more, and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and restart your iPhone. After you've done that, check if the problem still persists. If it still does, head over to your settings again. And on your settings, what you'll need to do is again head over to general. And after you're on the general page, you'll need to scroll down. After you're here, you will see the option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and you'll get the reset option. Tap on reset and you'll see the reset network settings option. Simply tap on reset network settings. You'll need to type in your password, and after you do that, your iPhone will again restart and your problem will get fixed. And that is how you fix your iPhone's signal or networks problems. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.